Hi, everybody. Happy weekend. I'm Dr. Prabakar, and I am finishing up here in Scottsdale with the ISSWSH conference, the International Society for the Study of Women's Sexual Health. It is the first time I'm here at the conference, and my mind is blown. There is so much new research that has come out in women's sexual health, and I am so excited to implement so much of this in my practice starting Monday. One of the coolest things I think about being a physician is you're constantly learning. That's something that really drew me to this field. You can never say, "Oh yeah, I know it all," or I've learned everything there is to learn about this one topic. There is always new research, and I am thrilled to be in the presence of some of the pioneers of this research in sexual medicine for men and women here at this conference. And one of my biggest takeaways is the role of testosterone in women. And, testosterone is certainly a hormone in our bodies, just like estrogen and progesterone. And we don't have it at the levels that men do, but it really does help regulate so much of libido and our sex lives. And there is good data right now for actually using testosterone for low libido. And so it's been really cool to see all the research, and I am really excited to start implementing this in my practice Monday. So if you're somebody who has been suffering with low libido at any stage of your life, premenopausal, postmenopausal, come talk to me. Let's do an evaluation of your hormones and let's see what's going on. There's so much more that I want to share from this conference, and I will be, sharing this information with you all throughout the week. I hope you all have a great weekend. Bye.